Hi guys, in today's tutorial I've set myself a challenge. The challenge is to do unicorn makeup. Now unicorn makeup, when I researched it, is pinks, purples and lots of highlighter and blues and any type of like rainbow colors or pastels that you can put into it. That's what I got. That was my sense of a unicorn makeup look. So I thought, let's bring it on. Bring on the challenge. And this is the look that I've created for today. This was fun, and I still felt like in a safe zone where I felt confident to pull off the look and just put my own touch onto it. So that's what I like to do. I like to be, unique in that sense and bring my own flavor to a look. And this was really fun to experiment with different highlighters, lots of pinks and purples. It's also fun kind of having the hair up a little bit and just doing like a messy bun with a few wavy strands, just mixing it up today and doing something out of the norm for me. I actually have a YouTube ideas list in my phone, and I list all the ideas that I have for makeup tutorials, and this was one of them. I probably have been pondering, stewing on it for a couple of months now, and I thought, no, now's the right time. Put your hair up, let loose, put some highlighter, some color on, and let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to start by doing the eyes first. I haven't done any contour bronzer on my cheeks. I'm probably just going to leave this as an all highlighter look, but we'll see how that goes once I get further into the tutorial. So for the base of my eyes, I'm going to use this Morphe Glamour Bronze. It's the lightest bronzer that I've got. And this is just going to not add much color, but it's just going to be the base. So it'll just give me a really nice kind of even color on the eyelids. So I'm just going to place that all over like this. And as you can see, there's not much color, but it's just going to fill in any white spots, try to even out any dark pigmentation on the eyelids, and that'll be my base. So to achieve this unicorn, or my version of a unicorn makeup look, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Nude eyeshadow palette, and this is in light. So it's got some really cool shades that I can use for this unicorn look. There's purple, there's light pink, and that's what I'm gonna be mixing. So I'm gonna go between this purple, this pink, and this matte peachy pink. So to begin with, I'll just do the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm going to go in with the purple, just using this little dense brush. So I'm just pressing it here, trying to make it as vivid as I can. So just in the inner corners. And then underneath the eyelashes, I'm going to use the same purple glitter eyeshadow with a dense brush and just pack that on underneath. And I'm going to bring it actually further down so that you can see it even more. And I'm going to connect it to the inner corner. And because it's such a light shade and you can't really see the pigment until you put it on, a few layers, you can really experiment with this and not be afraid to, put on more or spread it out even more. So yeah, this is the fun process. I've just brought the camera in a little bit closer just so you can see more of the effect of the eyeshadows on the eyes. And I'm going in now with the pink glitter shade. So I'm just going to pack that on to this eyeshadow brush and just swipe it across my eyelid. You can use your finger for this as well, and I might do that. Now going into that matte peachy pink shade, I'm just going to put a little bit on the eyeshadow brush and just gently swipe it on the top where the arch is a little bit. It's not going to have a lot of colour, but it's just going to add just a little hue of that peachy pink tone. So this look is all glitter, so we need to, or I need to focus on just getting a lot of that glitter and a lot of colours in a certain amount of space. So I'm kind of happy just with purple and pink at this stage. And it's a good challenge, so I don't mind experimenting with challenges like this. Now I'm just going to use my ring finger for the same pink glitter shade that I used and just see if I can add a little bit more of an effect on the center of the eyelid. Yeah, that's a bit better. So just a little bit more vivid in color. Okay. And on the other side, do the same thing. So yeah, if you want your glitter eyeshadows to stand out a little bit more, definitely use your finger. And now for the hero product. This is a product I have been waiting to use for a tutorial for so long. It's the Natasha Denona Diamond and Glow Highlighter Duo. So it's a pearly white and a pink, and these are amazing. So I did do a couple of swatches the other day and I'm like, yes, this is definitely going to be for the look I'm going for. So just with a fan brush, I'm going to go into this pearly white shade. And I'm not sure if this is going to work, but I can always change the brush if I need to. And this is going to be my highlighter. So I'm just going to swipe it on my upper cheek. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. I'm not sure if it comes through. Okay, and now I'm just going to dust some on the top here. And now I'm going to use the pink glitter shade as a little bit of a blush. Just going to go directly underneath the highlighter. So let's see how this goes. Oh yeah, it's very subtle, so not as intense as the pearly white highlighter. Maybe if I put a little bit more on, it might show up a bit more. Oh yeah, that's better. And now I'm just going to buff those in together. So that pink highlighter slash blush has kind of created a little bit of a contour in my face and a bit more colour. So yeah, I'm not sure. I don't think I'll be putting on a bronzer, but we'll see. We'll see when I start to put the mascara on, see how it all comes together. Okay, so I've just put some mascara on the upper and lower lashes. I haven't put eyeliner in yet, so I'll just see how I feel about that before I do it. And I just want to use the same Natasha Denona highlighter just for the arch of my eyes here. So just to make it pop a little bit more. I've got glitter everywhere. So I just have to dust it off a little bit. It's in my eyebrows as well. So I might just add a little bit more color to the cheek area, and I'm going to use this Jouer Rose Gold Blush Duo. So this is so pretty, these colors here for blush. And they've got a bit of a shimmer in both of them, but I'm going to go for the lighter one, the lighter pink rose type of shade. And just get my blush brush. And just start by putting a tiny amount on the apples of my cheeks. Just a little bit. Okay, that'll do, that's enough. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to be teeing up these two Morphe shades together. So this is the Lip Crayon NSFW lip crayon from Morphe, and it's a beautiful, very light pink, like pastel kind of color. And then I'll tee it up with the Morphe Sweetheart lip liner, which is more of a nude. So it's a little bit darker than the lipstick as well. So I'm just going to contrast them together and see how they look, you know, with this look. With this look. So I'll just outline my lips first. Okay, so that's the lips outlined. So this is a very light pink. I kind of like it. I think it ties in all together with this unicorn makeup look. So yeah, it's very light. It's got that pastel matte shade, and I think it's a good contrast for all the highlighter that I've got going on. Okay guys, so this is the final look. My version of a unicorn makeup look, going full on with highlighter, purples and pinks and whites, and contrasting with a matte pastel pink lip color. So I love challenges like this. I love experimenting with different looks and colors and textures. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If there's a challenge that you can think of, anything that you've seen on the internet or Instagram, Pinterest, just send me a DM and be like, yeah, Laura, I challenge you to do this.